Hello everyone, today we'll be covering WooCommerce for WordPress. We'll be going over 3 topics: adding a product, adding a coupon, and a manual order. So first we'll start with products. Go to all your products and create your first product. So you'll have your product name, you'll have a product description, and product type, and virtual products with downloadable products and prices. You can provide a short description or summary, and you can provide images and tags. You can have different categories of products, and you can publish a product depending on if you want it to be hidden to the public or like a private for when a sale ends or before a sale begins. So you'll enter your product name. We'll say t-shirt. We'll say a simple shirt. And you see we got a link. This link here goes straight to our product t-shirt with it'll have all of our pricing, our paragraphs. Let's see. And then we can add a short paragraph, and what the short description will be. So say when you go to Walmart.com, you'll see a name, a title of the product, and you'll have a short description underneath of it, kind of giving you an idea of, like say it's a movie, it'll give you a rating of some sort. So we'll say plain TV. Okay. Now we can set this to a simple product. We can group products together, or we can have a variable product. We'll keep it simple. And see here we have a price. We can set this price here to, let's say, $20. And then we can have a sale price, which for the time being we can show them the regular price, and say we want to give them 50% off. We'll say $10. We could schedule from April 10th to April 13th. So from those days there, we will have the shirt on sale for $10 that the customer will see. And once that's over, then we'll go back to our regular price here. Now here we can tell, that was our general tab. We can go to our inventory tab. We can give it a SKU number. We can have it be have a database manage the stock for us. We can have it manually set to out of stock or on back order, or we can allow it to be sold individually. Our shipping tab allows us to enter information based on the product itself. We can enter weight, dimensions of the box, and what kind of shipping we're going to be using. So when a customer goes through and purchases something, they can easily click buy. It'll tell them how much the shipping cost is going to be based on UPS or FedEx, whichever shipper you decide to go with. We can go to linked products. Maybe, so say they click on something, say they click on t-shirts. Well, then maybe their interest is in clothing, so we'll direct them to other clothing. We can give it some attributes and maybe give it a purchase note. Here we can tell it, we can do like virtual content. Say you're selling wallpapers or desktop backgrounds and maybe software. You can do something like that. And if it's something that needs to be downloaded, we can set it to downloadable. And then once we're all done, we can go over here and you can do save as a draft, which means that it won't be published yet, but you can save it for later review or maybe publish it later. Or you can click preview like this here, and it'll give you an idea of what your post is supposed to be like. So see here, we don't have an image, but we have a t-shirt for $20. We can add it to cart, and it doesn't have any categories. It's a simple t-shirt. Here's our description. Alright, now if this is something we like, we can go back to our preview page, close out of our preview, and we can publish. Or if we don't like it, we can just move to trash. And that, for products, is all we're going to cover. So we'll go ahead and move on to, we'll move back to our WooCommerce, and we're going to go over coupons. So As in, a lot of stores have coupons they produce and distribute across the web. So here we can actually add our own coupon. We can give a coupon code, so that way we can verify the coupon when the user enters it. We can give a description, say like maybe this coupon is for a t-shirt. That same t-shirt that we have on sale next week, maybe there's a coupon for it this week. We can say 50 off T. So here we have our coupon code. We have our name for it. Now here's where the data comes into play. So now we're going to have to set up. We can do a percentage. We can do a fixed cart discount. So say they order $50 worth of items. If they order $50 worth of items, we'll give them 5 off, or maybe we just give them 5 off in general. We can give a fixed product discount, which means the item will be a certain price no matter what. So say you see those coupons that say 2 shirts for $7.99. Well, so there's no percentages off. We're just setting a price based on if they buy 2 shirts. But for this, we'll set a price discount. We can set the amount on the coupon. We can say 50 for percent. Or in this case, we'll have to use however much the coupon is worth. So shirt's $20, we want 50% off. The coupon's got to be worth 10. We can allow free shipping with coupon, or we can have them pay for shipping depending on the coupon's usage, and then we can set an expiration date. Once again, once we're done, we can move it to trash, or we can publish it. Now we're going to go to how to make an order. So orders can be done automatically through our purchasing service, whatever you choose. And then you'll have, of course, have some automation handling your ordering, handling your stock. But if you want to manually add an order, you can go to Add Order. And in this tab, we'll have several fields. So we want to set a date. We can tell it at a specific time. We can set the status for the payment. So we can say something doesn't work and we have to call a customer and we try to run the card again and it fails. We can set it to fail, or say the customer wants to put it on hold. We can put it on hold. We can this way we can actually edit orders. So set to pending payment. We can tell it, say we have users, we have a defined user database, and here we would be able to enter the customer based on their username that they registered with this website. For now, we don't have any, so we'll just leave it like it is. And in here, two ways this could be populated through the customer. Once we reach out to the database with the customers field, we might get some billing information. Otherwise, we can click this little pencil here for edit. We can go in, we can enter a name, last name, and fill in all the information we need. And then once we're done, we can set a shipping. We can add items to their order, and we can apply coupons at this time. And that's going to conclude this tutorial.